Why does it seem like we spent an entire season discussing fields, where nothing physically moves in the traditional sense? Yet everything is constantly changing in ways we might not even notice. If you've been following along from the beginning, you've already unlocked an incredibly important key to understanding the universe. In the energy filament theory, fields aren't just abstract mathematical constructs floating in space. They are the tangible current state of the energy sea itself. This energy sea functions with three key components: a topographic map that reveals where tension is tight and where it is relaxed, a texture map that guides where paths bend or curve, and a rhythm pattern that dictates how the sea vibrates to store energy and transmit signals. Throughout this season, we've explored how the vacuum fluctuates in the background, how tension slopes evolve into gravitational fields, how texture patterns give rise to electric and magnetic fields, and how waveguides and cavities filter and amplify certain standard actions within the field. We've also delved into how different particles interact with these fields. Electrons are extremely sensitive to electromagnetic textures, while neutrinos are primarily affected by the tension field. Particles don't just passively get pulled by the field. They actively navigate through a map of slopes and textures, using their own intrinsic patterns to find the most stable and energy-efficient path possible. When we zoom out and look at the universe on a much larger scale, we begin to see that the cosmic microwave background CMB, cosmic filaments, shear maps, and rotational curves all come together to form the large-scale tension framework of the energy sea. This allows us to see the universe not just as a random collection of stars, but as a cohesive, unified tension map where everything is connected. Ultimately, this season answers one fundamental question: who or what is responsible for determining the fields that shape everything we see? The answer is the energy sea itself, its tension, its patterns, and how it chooses and shapes the few key patterns that govern its behavior. Next season, we'll narrow down to just one simple, yet profound question in a sea that's already been mapped out with terrain, textures, and rhythms. What exactly is force? Does it really exist as an external force? Or is it simply an illusion created by particles navigating their way through the energy sea? Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.